Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. Let's go to Bundesliga to see the home jersey of Stuttgart, the Stuttgart in Italian. This is a fun version, really nice, but now enjoy the video. I like the jersey, it's a typical home jersey of this team with these stripes red. I really like because in the back the color is different. In my ranking this is a 4 stars. Let me know if you agree with me, and in this case please smash the like button. Tell me in the comments here below what do you think about the jersey, what do you think about the channel, and what other jersey would like to see in the future. I will do my best to buy the jersey you want. For today that's all, see you next time, but please remember, subscribe the channel. Ciao!